Okay, second graders, today we're going to talk about perimeter. This is the word perimeter. Perimeter is the measurement outside of a shape, the outside measurement of a shape. We can use units to measure the outside of a shape by using frog jumps. Reasons you might need to use perimeter is to measure for a pool in your house, or not in your house, but in your backyard. Or measure for a fence around your backyard. You need to know how much fence to buy or how much pool material to buy. So or another way would be measuring for a garden, how much room you need for a garden. So to measure perimeter, we use frog jumps. So you're gonna get your pencil, and what you do is you pick a spot to start on these dots, and you count how many frog jumps to each dot outside of the shape. So here we go, we have 1, 2, don't forget this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I stopped there because I had already started there. So this shape is 10 units around. The perimeter is 10 units. We say units because we don't know if it's inches, centimeters, meters, yards. We just say units. So 10 units long. Let's go ahead and go to this big shape right here, okay? Let's count the outside of it and see what the perimeter is of the shape. Count with me. There's 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're hitting the dots and not in between. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one's tricky. You have to switch 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's big, long, backwards L shape is 16 units is the perimeter. We just write it in the middle. Last one. Let's see what the perimeter of this shape right here is. Doing frog jumps again. I'm going to start up here. 1, 2 to the next dot, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I stopped there because that's where I started. So this one is 8 units is the perimeter. Pretty fun, huh? So let's go to the inside and get started. Okay, you're going to figure out the perimeter of each shape and write the number of units it is on numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. You can count units to measure the perimeter. I like to do frog jumps and figure it out so I don't leave out a spot. So number 1, find the perimeter of the shape. Kind of already got started, so let's look at this. So I'm going to start here. 1, do this on your paper. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure you're getting to each dot. 10 outside of it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have to go on the inside too. 16, 17. This is where it gets tricky. You have to switch directions. 18, 19. Switch directions again. 20, 21, 22. Oh, look at that. That's what they said it was as well. So 22 units. Number 2. What is the perimeter of this one? So we're going to do frog jumps again. We're going to go 1, 2, switch spots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The perimeter of this shape is 18 units. I can go back and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put a dot in each of the jumps. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, let me start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There we go. I got off. 18 units. Number 3. I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch directions, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's where I stopped. Oh, look, these two were the same, but they're different shapes. Crazy. 18 units. Perimeter of number 4. I'm going to start at the top. Here we go. 1, 2, switch directions, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, switch directions, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, back at the start. So this is 20 units. Let me double check by putting a dot in each to double check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 units is the perimeter of number 4. All right, let's look at the do you understand. I'm going to move mine up so you can see. How can you find the perimeter around a shape using inches or centimeters? Well, I guess I could get a ruler and measure each side with the ruler and add them up. So we're going to write that. You can use a ruler. Pause if you need to write that. All right, go to the next side. Find the perimeter of each shape. Ooh, number 5 is tricky. Remember, frog jumps, you might have to switch directions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I would do this one by checking off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, ooh, that 2 is crazy, 25, and 26. So this perimeter is 26 units long. You need to find the perimeter of 6 by using frog jump, 7, and 8. Number 9 I'm going to help you with because this is tricky. It says, Helena says these shapes have the same perimeter. Is this true or false? To count this, you just count where there are X's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one has 8. Let's see about this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, they both have the same perimeter, so it is true. Go to the back. All right, solve the problems below. Number 10, the perimeter of this rectangle is 6 units. How long is each side? Well, this side, oh, moved that. I thought I had the pencil tool. Let me try again. This side from here to here is 2 units. Well, down here looks the same, so what's this also going to be? That's right, 2 units. So if this one's 1 unit and this side's the same, it looks the same, what is this side going to be? And number 11, find the perimeter of the shape. And then number 12, you need to draw your own shape on the geo board and find the perimeter of your shape. You may not do something like this. That's too easy. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4 units would be the perimeter. You need to do something different. All right, when you are done, have an adult check it, and then you may go to Prodigy since it is Friday. If it's not Friday, then you may not go to Prodigy. If it's Friday, you can also go to coding.